Good day children, welcome back to the part 2 video on lesson 13, the solar system. In our first video, we learned about the planets that revolve around the sun. Now let us continue with satellites that revolve around a planet. What is a satellite? A satellite is a body that revolves around a planet on a fixed path. Satellites can be natural or artificial. A natural satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. All the planets in the solar system, except Mercury and Venus, have natural satellites. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. An artificial satellite is a man-made scientific instrument that is sent into space with the help of rockets to orbit a planet. It also revolves around the planet like the moon. The first man-made satellite was Sputnik 1. It was launched into space in 1957 by the Soviet Union. Aryabhatta was India's first artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are useful for forecasting the weather, studying space, and communication. Now, let's look in detail about the Earth's only satellite, Moon. Temperatures on the moon are very hot in the daytime, about 100 degrees Celsius. At night, the lunar surface gets very cold, that is, as cold as minus 173 degrees Celsius. This wide variation in temperature is because the Earth's moon has no atmosphere to hold in the heat at night or prevent the surface from getting so hot during the day. Since moon has no air, no water, no atmosphere and this extreme difference in temperature, no life exists on the moon. Like everything else in our solar system, moon also does not have its own light. It shines due to the sun's light. Stars. Stars are gigantic balls of burning hydrogen. Stars are the celestial objects that are extremely hot and have light of their own. The stars appear to be small because they are very far from us, but actually they are very large. Stars appear to twinkle in the sky. The sun is the star which is nearest to the earth. The sun looks much bigger and brighter because it is much nearer to us than any other star. Sun. It is a huge ball of hot burning gases that gives us heat and light. The surface of the sun is very hot, about 6000 degrees Celsius. You can then imagine how much hot it should be inside the core of the sun. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The light of the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. Moving on to the next interesting topic, constellations. What are constellations? The group of stars which appears to form some recognizable shape or pattern is known as constellation. Each constellation has been given a name signifying an animal, a human being or some other object which it appears to resemble. Some of the important constellations which we can see during the night sky are Ursa Major, Orion and Scorpio. Orion. It looks like the hunter. Scorpio, which resembles the scorpion. And Ursa Major, which takes the shape of the great bear. Constellations collectively form galaxies. A galaxy is basically a large group of stars, gas and dust held together by gravity. Our solar system belongs to Milky Way galaxy. 1 million galaxies together make up the universe. Isn't it so interesting and fascinating? Yes, we will continue with our further topics on rotation and revolution of Earth in our next video. Till then, bye children.